Hello everyone, welcome to Tathastu ICS. My name is Trija Garg and I'm your economy faculty. Today we are going to discuss a very important concept and a concept that most of the aspirants sometimes they get confused with. That is depreciation. Depreciation that we study in national income accounting. Now, when we talk about depreciation in national income accounting, this depreciation is also known as consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. Now, when we say consumption of fixed capital, it means that जो हमारा physical asset होता है, जो हमारा physical capital होता है और उसमें जो fixed capital होता है, that is the fixed asset like buildings, machineries. अब हमें पता है कि इनकी एक useful life होती है. They have a useful life. That is, let's say 10 years के लिए maybe you can use a machine. Okay, let's say maybe for 5 years you can use a particular tool, right? So ये जो fixed assets होते हैं which have a useful life, their value decreases every year, right? Obvious है कि मशीन आज जैसे चल रही है कल वैसे नहीं चलेगी, अगले साल वैसे नहीं चलेगी, right? So we are consuming this fixed capital, right, throughout its useful life, right? Up after 5 years, after 10 years, we will have to replace this particular fixed asset, है ना? तो उस वैल्यू को हम क्या करते हैं, धीरे धीरे करके एवरी ईयर, ठीक है, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ माइंड दैट दिस इज नो एक्सपेंस दैट इज हैपनिंग, कोई कैश फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. This is only an accounting method and I'll tell you how. Let us understand this through an example. Imagine that we have a person, Raj. Okay, we have a person, Raj. Now, this Raj has an Uber car. Okay. Now, this Uber car is the fixed asset, right? And I'm pretty sure that you understand that we cannot use this Uber car for forever. है ना, इसकी एक यूजफुल लाइफ रहेगी. तो लेट्स से इस Uber कार की एक यूजफुल लाइफ है and let's say it is 10 years, right? And when you bought this particular Uber car, this was for, let's say, 1 lakh rupees. So, after 10 years, for you to basically produce rides, because you are using this Uber car to produce rides, okay, what is happening? After 10 years, you will have to replace this particular Uber car, right? Because if you do not replace this Uber car, then what will happen? Then you won't be able to do the production, because of which our economy will not grow. Okay, so what we do is that we take the value of this particular car throughout its useful life and we subtract it every year, which is known as depreciation, which is the value of wear and tear of fixed capital. ओके, बेसिकली जो हम लॉस कर रहे हैं, तो लॉस ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ, तो हर साल हम एक पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू लूज कर रहे हैं ऑफ दिस उबर कार, वो हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी है. अब क्यों करनी है ये भी आई विल टेल यू, बट फॉर नाउ लेट्स से 1 लाख रुपीज है और यहाँ पे हमारे 10 इयर्स है, तो हर साल हमें कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, 10,000 रुपीज. So this 10,000 rupees is your depreciation cost. Okay. Is your consumption of fixed capital that is happening every year, right? So imagine that we take the year 2025 to 2026. And let's say this particular Uber car, okay, that you bought, okay, it made production of 2 lakh rupees. Okay, you made production of 2 lakh rupees. So this is the total production that happened in that particular year. So this is your gross value. Gross value here means total value, right? अब मुझे इसमें से depreciation subtract करना पड़ेगा. क्यों करना पड़ेगा? Because every year if I save a certain amount of money in my accounts, after 10 years I will be able to replace my car with another car okay, so that the production keeps on happening. Because if we do not do that, then what will happen? अगर मैं ग्रॉस अमाउंट ही लेके चलूंगी, ठीक है, 10 और मैं सेव नहीं करूंगी, 10,000 रुपए की वैल्यू मैं अलग से नहीं रखूंगी, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? मुझे तो लगेगा मेरी इकोनॉमी ग्रो करती जा रही है, लेकिन आफ्टर 10 years आई वोंट इवन हैव अ कार टू बाय, आई वोंट हैव मनी टू बाय, मेरे पास कोई कार भी नहीं होगी क्योंकि कार की लाइफ खत्म हो चुकी होगी, तो इकोनॉमी तो एकदम हॉल्ट पे आ जाएगी, प्रोडक्शन होएगा ही नहीं, right? So that is why what we will do, we will subtract rupees 10,000 from it, that is the depreciation value, and we will get rupees 1,90,000, that is the net value of our national income. Now, when we talk about the net value of our national income, this is the sustainable national income, that is the long term के लिए बेस्ट इनकम है हमारी, ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो आपको ये बता रहा है कि हमारी इकोनॉमी एक्सपैंड कर रही है, बट आफ्टर 10 years वी वुड नॉट वांट आवर इकोनॉमी टू होल्ड, तो इसीलिए एवरी ईयर वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ आवर consumption of fixed capital so that after the useful life of our particular fixed asset we are able to replace it, because this particular 10,000 rupees, okay, it is not an addition to your national income, this is the replacement cost of the Uber car after 10 years. Is it clear everyone? Right? So this is the concept of depreciation. Now इसीलिए इसको माइनस करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. If we talk about national income, we actually have to know कि national income क्या होता है. अब इसके अगर हम बात करें, क्या इसमें कोई कैश एक्सपेंस हो रहा है क्या? ये 10,000 rupees, the ones that we are subtracting every year, right? Do we are we spending it somewhere to repair our cars? No, we are not. Okay, it is just an accounting method. Now, if we talk about depreciation, you tell me in the comment section that who actually decides the depreciation rates, which particular ministry decides the depreciation rate in our country. And another question for you is that, do you think if we talk about, if we take NDP here, okay, so can we actually use this NDP to compare at international level or not, right? So thank you so much everyone. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section.